Okay, so I absolutely cannot. This hair is absolutely lush. The way it flows, everything about this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Hey guys, what's really good and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick 360 messy bun wig tutorial. I will send over this 22 body wave lace frontal wig from Arabella. The hair is absolutely gorgeous, so soft, so stunning. Look at the body wave on there, absolutely lush and just full of life, absolutely gorgeous. So this hair comes pre-plucked, as you can see just there. It gives you a really nice baby hair effect as well. 360 lace, as I did mention, and it comes pre-tinted as well. And this was in a 22-inch. It includes the pins just there so you can secure the wig nicely onto your head. It comes with the wig cap, it comes with the edge laying scarf just there, and it also comes with your brush there so you can lay your edges, honey. Yes. So the hair is pre-plucked, but what I did, I just went over it again and just plucked it some more just to give me the natural hairline that I do like. And also I think it's important to also pluck the back of the hair as well, as this is a 360. You know, you can obviously wear the hair up, so you don't want it to look too wiggy, you know, because then it's just like, girl, that's a wig, okay? What lace? That lace, girl, that lace on the back of your head. So yeah, so basically the same thing that you will do with the front of your lace frontal is what I would recommend for you to do for the back as well. So I'm just going in just here and I'm just plucking, because usually the hairline at the back is quite thick and quite bulky. So I'm just going in there with my tweezer and I'm just plucking the hairline just to give it, like, you know, a natural hairline. Therefore, you know, if I do decide to wear the hair up, it's not looking too obnoxious, okay? It's still looking somewhat realistic, okay? So if you want, you can leave a little bit of baby hair. You don't have to, but I thought it's something that I wanted to leave out. You can decide not to, but yeah, just go in and just pluck in as much as you can. And one thing I noticed is that the hair on the back of the wig is a lot more tougher to pull out than it is at the front. I don't know if that's just me, but yeah, I did find it was just a little bit more difficult to pull out the hair just at the back. So you do have to go in a couple times, you know, before you get the desired look. So yeah, so I'll just part it and I do it in sections, so that way you're not plucking out too much hair, and then you have control of, you know, exactly what you're doing. So there we have it. I've plucked in my desired look just there, but I don't like the adjustable band just there. What I'm gonna look to do, actually, see if I can remove it, because as you can see, it sits right there on the lace and, you know, it's visible. But yeah, so I'm gonna look to see how I can remove that adjustable band. But look at the pluckerization. It plucked so lovely, so nice. It gives you a really nice plucking just there. Look how gorgeous that is. So then what you want to do is just go in with your foundation. I'm actually going to look to see if I can buy like one of those tint spray bottles, but I did go in there with my foundation just so that it can match my skin tone, and just look how lovely it looks. It looks so nice already, and I'm yet to even cut the lace. So when it comes to cutting the lace, I cut it into 3 parts. It just helps me to lay it down, and I'm going in with an alcohol rub just to get rid of any excess oil and grease and stuff like that. Oh my goodness, guys, honestly, that whole time my camera stopped filming. I'm so annoyed. I missed out the laying, the melting of the lace. Guys, look at the meltdown of this lace. Like, I just can't. And this hair is absolutely soft, so lush. She's worth it. Hair flip, girl, hair flip. This now is the difficult part, okay? So I've done the front part and now it's the back part of this lace. Oh my gosh, okay. Did I mention that it's my first time doing this? Yeah. It's my first time, so this is literally beginner friendly or whatever. And now I guess we're gonna go and attempt to do the back. Fingers crossed. Okay, the moment of truth, girl. Listen, I was clenching certain parts of my body because this was the most difficult And the mirror that I had, for some reason I can't find. I had like a 3-part mirror, I just couldn't find it. But listen, just go ahead, and I'm using Ghost Bond glue, and I just put in as much as I could. That's the honest truth. Blow dried it. Okay, so the trick for this next part is bend your neck down. Okay, bend your head down so that you can glue the lace on the back of your head. Otherwise, when you put your head up, it's just gonna be just a nightmare. And I'm using my phone. I'm just using my phone there just to check to see what I'm doing. And then I went in with my curlers just there, just to give it a nice little neck curl there, honey, you know, just a nice little neck curl there. And go ahead and, you know, lay down your baby hair as such, and there we have it. Yes, this wig. Yes, come on, this has everything. Come on. Okay, so I absolutely cannot. This hair is absolutely lush. The way it flows, everything about this hair is absolutely gorgeous. And for the time being, I don't even think I want to wear it in a pony. Like, I just want to wear it out and do some other lovely stuff with it as well. I literally just flung this bun into place, and it's just sitting pretty. Okay, sitting pretty. Look how lively this is. I absolutely love just how manageable it is. Alright guys, do not forget you are going to find all the discount codes, all of the details to get your hands on this hair down in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. This hair is absolutely lush, absolutely gorgeous. I love and I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.